आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
A bullet train can cover the 420 kilometers between Xenia and York at a rate of 240 kilometers per hour. Now we have been given two quantities. Quantity A is the number of minutes it will take the train to travel from Xenia to York, whereas quantity B is 110. And we basically have to compare these two quantities. We have to check of these two which one is greater. Okay, now in quantity A, the entry is the number of minutes it will take the train to travel from Xenia to York. Okay, now in the question it has already been mentioned that the distance between Xenia and York is 420 kilometers. Okay, so the distance that the bullet train has to cover, in order to go from Xenia to York as per the question is equal to 420 kilometers. Okay, now it has also been said that the rate or the speed of the bullet train is 240 kilometers per hour. Okay, the speed at which the bullet train runs is equal to 240 kilometers per hour. Okay, so the time that the bullet train will take to go from Xenia to York will be given by distance by speed. Okay, the time that the bullet train will take to cover 420 kilometers, that is the distance between Xenia and York, at a speed of 240 kilometers per hour will be given by 420 divided by 240. Now as the distance has been given in kilometers, whereas the unit of speed is kilometers per hour, the time obtained is going to be in hour. Okay, so 420 divided by 240 when calculated comes out to be 1.75, and as discussed the unit is going to be hours. So we have concluded that the time that the train will take to go from Xenia to York is 1.75 hours, but quantity A asks for the number of minutes that the train will take. Okay, so we have to convert this hour to minute. Now that can be easily done simply by multiplying this by 60. Okay, since each hour has 60 minutes, 1.75 hour can be written equal to 1.75 into 60 minutes. Okay, now this value 1.75 into 60 when calculated using a calculator comes out to be 105. Okay, 105. So we can conclude that the bullet train takes 105 minutes to travel from Xenia to York. Hence the entry in quantity A is 105. Okay, so this is our conclusion that quantity A is equal to 105. Now going back to the quantities, we have concluded that quantity A is equal to 105. Now it has been given that quantity B is equal to 110. Now 110 is obviously greater than 105. Hence of the two quantities we can conclude that quantity B is greater. Okay, so this is our final answer. Of the two given quantities, quantity B is greater.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।